This is a demo of the new utility that will be available in the upcoming CFEngine release, CFEngine 3.16. In particular, it's the cf-keycrypt utility. So here I have an alpha package installed and I have a setup with one hub and two hosts. And here there is this new utility. We can get the help output, which documents the possible options. In short, it is a utility that can encrypt some secrets for the individual hosts in the infrastructure. So let's start. First, we can make some directory for the secrets. For now, we can just keep it simple and do var CFEngine master file secrets, and we also want to create some test file, so we can just create a simple file which says this is a test file, and let's use some structure, at least multiple lines, so that we can see if it if the structure is preserved. So now let's just make sure it's there. So, and now we want to share this file with the host 001, which is right here, and we want only the host to be able to get this information. So that means that we want to encrypt it. So we use the new keycrypt tool, we do --encrypt. Now we need to tell which host to use. This is a vagrant setup, so the DNS doesn't really work, so I'm going to use the IP address. And now we want to put this file into CF master files secrets, and let's use the IP address as the identifier, and then let's say that it's this secret, and now we need the source, the input file, which is this. So now we can check that it actually created this file. We can also check the format of the file. We can see that it's just data. We can get some more information by using the octal_dump tool, and we can see that there is some human readable thing here. It specifies the version, so that in future we can increment the version number and do not break backwards compatibility. So now we have the file. We can now make sure that it's propagated. And now if we run it on the host, there's on the host 001, we can now see the file in the secrets folder. So now we can use the keycrypt utility to actually decrypt the file, and let's first start by showing the contents. Oh, we need to specify the file, of course, and now we get the contents of the file. So of course we can just redirect it to somewhere, or if we do this, we can just put it somewhere or whatever. But also, of course, it can be just used in the policy, because we can use we can capture the output of a tool or of a binary. So by just using this, we can easily get the contents of the secret file. Now let's go to this host, which is the host 002, and let's make sure that we have the file as well. So it is there, and now we want to try to decrypt it here, right? And it should not be possible because it's only encrypted for host 001, and it says failed to initialize decryption context. The message is not probably ideal, maybe changed, but it basically means that cf-keycrypt was unable to decrypt the contents of the file. So host 002 doesn't have access to the file, and if we do the same on the hub, decrypt O and var CFEngine inputs secrets, it's the same. So even the hub doesn't have access to the contents. So of course now we have the file here in temp, but the same way we did encrypt, we could have actually just specify dash here, and then we would be able to process standard input, and then the secret doesn't have to be stored anywhere unencrypted anytime. It will be just encrypted for the specific hosts. So this is a nice way to store secrets for specific hosts. Right now it only supports one host. In future there will be some nice way to support multiple hosts.